inside here is something quite nice. So this is, actually, well, I shouldn't tell you what it is until you see it yourself. I mean, come on. Like, it got delivered this morning. This, my friends, is what we're going to be unboxing. And as you can see here, it's a DJI Action 5 Pro. I went with the Adventure Combo Pack. I'll explain why in a little bit. And so this will be an unboxing of this and our first impressions. And I'm buying this because I want to do more car videos, and I think this will be perfect for that. And also maybe for something else. So I'll tell you what that is in a little bit. You know what, DJI, next time here, have like a tab that I can just peel off instead of me having to like resort to this. Actually, maybe is that a tab? No, this is not a tab. I've got to like make my own tabs. Okay, let's just stab it. Oh my, ooh. Of course, as we do here all the time, let's go for the sizzle test. Actually, you know what I should be doing? Nah, actually it's fine. Oh my gosh. This is a refurbished unit. I was gonna pay the full price for a brand new, so I got this for a really good deal. So this was £329 for an Adventure Combo Pack. That is the same price as the standard, just this without anything else. So, which I think was quite a good deal. So that's why I got it. Wow, this is now void. So I peeled off the Adventure thing. I need more of this. Sorted. Absolutely sorted. Okay, let's open this. So what's inside the Adventure Pack? So we've got accessories. Let's find out what those are first. Accessories. Ooh. Still in the lovely plastic bags. I don't know what those are yet, so let's pull all these out. Customary DJI QR code to download the DJI Mimo app, which I've done already, which I may or may not have done already. Oh, okay. So we have a USB-C charging cable. What is this? Let's find out. Some kind of mounting system. Okay, that's cool. Let's put this back in the box. Of course, ooh, okay, what is this? This looks very familiar. Okay, we have some instruction manuals that nobody ever reads, including me. Well, when I say nobody, I mean that's not technically true, but quick start guide, yep. And then you've got some DJI stickers up on here. A certain company used to do this, so you got, oh, they give it multiple kinds of stickers. All right. So you got the DJI, and you got this, and then loads of other stickers. Yeah, I don't know how to use these, but it's a nice touch. It helps build brand loyalty, I'm guessing. And then here we have what I believe are the batteries. So with the Osmo Action 5, you get this AirPod style case with 3 batteries in there. Bada bing, bada boom. And these batteries are all 1950 milliamps per hour. That's a lot more than the one, I think the last one with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, I think it was 1750 if I remember correctly. But this is just like more capacity, and you get 3 of them, and you can charge them in this very, very cool case. AirPods for your DJI Pocket, Action Pocket, oh whatever, man, you know what I mean. So you get 3 batteries in here. They all look like they've been charged already, which is very, very lovely. And I'm guessing there's a USB port here for you to charge it. Yep, USB there at the bottom or on the side, so you can charge it. And you get 3 indicators here. I guess green lets you know they're fully charged, and then when it's less green, it means that it's running out of juice. So there you go. I don't know what this button's for. Okay, I guess it's probably to check your charge level. Very, very nice. Very sleek, it's textured, feels very, very nice. That's really cool, man. That's very, very cool by DJI. I like that. Oh, by the way, there's a tab on each battery to help you pull it out of the case. That is very, very nice. So let's put that to the side because we want to see the DJI Action. Booty hell. Woo, there's more. Oh my god. Okay, you have this truncheon here. Truncheon. You know what I mean. Okay, let's open this. So this is like a selfie stick. Wow. Okay. That is quite lovely. It's got this rubberized texture bit here. It's ribbed. That's all I'm gonna say. And then this bit here, I assume goes here. There must be some kind of screw to put it all together, I'm assuming. I haven't seen it anywhere, but who knows. So yeah, so that helps you use this as a selfie stick. That's actually really, really cool. It's got a 1/4-20 thread at the bottom as well, so you can screw some feet to it. But it doesn't come with those, I guess you provide your own. So let's put that to the side. That's actually really nice. The texture is amazing. Very, very nice grip. Looks well made and solid. What? Oh, okay. Ah, okay. It's like some plastic things right here. Rinse with clean water to remove. Who's got time for that? Two that you've done. Don't need more water. And then I guess this extends. Whoa, okay. Seriously. What the? This is ridiculously long, as I told her once. I mean, look at that. God damn, this keeps on going. That is insane. I mean, who needs a selfie stick here this big? I mean, come on, people. This is like, look at that. It's not quite as tall as me, but that is insane. That is just, that's a long one. That's a very, very long one. That is so cool. Something this long retracts to this tiny little size. That's pretty insane. Whoops. What have I done? Okay, let's retract. Ooh, that's so nice. Very satisfying to me. All right, so now let's open this box here with mine. Wow, there's loads of things in here. Silica, whatever, put in with that. What is this? There's a kind of cage. Bing, boom. So I guess this is the cage for the Osmo Action 5. Ah, here we go. Okay, this now makes a lot of sense. So you get these thumb screws to help you fix this to this. You get two of them, so that's nice. On the side over here, you get some more things in here. What is this? Bada bing, bada boom. You get some sticky. Oh, so you can stick on surfaces. That's kind of cool. Okay. Don't know what these are, but yeah, that's very, very nice. I like that. Put these back in the box. So I don't want to make a mess. And then this is the cage that it comes with. It's plastic. There's a power button here. Does this completely? Can you completely open the cage? I don't know. Probably you can. I don't know. Anyway, this is the main event right here. It's got a nice weight to it. Definitely more. It feels more quality than the GoPro that I used to have. I used to have nightmares with GoPros, so hopefully this will be the end of my nightmares. Wow. So this, people, is a DJI Action 5 Pro. Wow, it's got this kind of like grippy texture on here. You got a screen in the front, and you get a bigger screen on the back. So for you vloggers out there, you get a selfie screen to look at yourself, and there's some kind of sensor in the O in the Action. The 5 Pro written in red. Interesting. Let's peel this off. Ooh, the lens protection. Wow, that's clean. So it's equivalent of a field of view is 155 millimeters. That's pretty wide. That's like, it's almost like 180. That's crazy. And it's an f2.8 lens. That's nice. Let's go to lighting. And the sensor is 1/1.3 inches. Okay, that's very, very nice. Let's see what else we have. So you have your on/off button here on the top, and then I guess this is the battery compartment. Yes, indeed. Ooh, okay, wow. All that space just for the battery. That's crazy. So you got the battery compartment right there. This thing's also waterproof, by the way. You can literally go swim with this. You've got microphone on the top. The screen does not obviously come out, as you can imagine. And then you've got the power button here. And then I guess this is your memory card slot. Whoa. You've got USB-C charging here on the side. That's very cool. What is memory card? Where's the... Okay, it's down here. What's this? Nope, it's definitely not down there. What is the memory card? Where do I put the memory card? Sweet jeez, man, what's going on here? I don't know what I'm doing with this. I just opened it, but now I can't do the same thing again. What the hell's wrong with me? There we go. Where's the SD card go? The micro SD card. I don't see a slide or a port for it. That's weird. That is why you should always read the instruction manual. Conveniently the SD card, micro SD card slots next to the battery. That's kind of cool. And what else can I show you guys? And then this bit here is the... Oh, that's magnetic. Ooh, okay, that's cool. To get a magnetic mount thing. Wow, I can feel it. The magnet's working against me. Ooh. If you do it the wrong way, they oppose, so it doesn't work. Put it this way. Wow, that is satisfying as hell. Ooh. That fits so nice and snug. I prefer this to the GoPro's like nonsense like system. This is so much nicer. Ooh, I like that. All right, let's put a battery inside and let's turn it on. Let's hope that it works. Let's put a battery inside. This is so solid. Just like that. And the battery goes in this way. I don't have any SD cards, but the beauty of this thing is it's got built-in, I think 50 gigabytes of internal storage. Every camera should have this. Okay, so let me turn it on. So press this button here. Wow, it's on. It says English on the back, it says English in the front, and I guess it's touch screen, so let's touch and say yes. Swipe to unlock screen, just like my phone, just like the iPhone. I'm swiping. Hey. Okay. Skip 5 times remaining. What do you mean? Start. Shutter record. Press once to take photo or record. Press and hold. Press and hold. Snapshot when camera is powered on. Okay, nice. Swipe. Okay, I don't need all this. I just wanna like start using the damn thing. Tap to change color mode. Okay. Alright, so it clearly works. So let me tell you why I bought this camera. So I bought this camera because I want to start recording, like filming car videos again. I think internal shots when I'm driving look pretty amazing with this. I also love the fact that this thing shoots 10-bit log, which means I can match this to my other mirrorless cameras and also grade the footage to taste, which is actually amazing. GoPro didn't do that. The quality was terrible. I also want to use this for vlogging as well because I feel like this is so small and so portable that there's literally no excuse to not carry this around with you. So I feel like this is literally almost a perfect vlogging camera. You got a screen in the front, you got a screen in the back. It's very, very small and portable. It's got a nice wide angle lens. It's not heavy, and the battery life is, actually I don't know that yet because I haven't tested it that well. And I think it's absolutely amazing. So hopefully, primarily this was bought for car videos, but if it works as a vlogging camera, I'm definitely using it. So oh my gosh, so first impressions here, this thing's properly well made. I'm really surprised how heavy it actually is. I was not expecting that. It just feels well built. It's got rubberized body here. There's a lot of really nice red accents around the power button, but also the 5 Pro bit, and then around the lens as well. It's also rubberized, I believe. I don't know if there's a lens cover for it or whatever, but this looks amazing. So yeah, so my DJI Action 5 unboxing and first impressions, and I think this thing's gonna be amazing for my car videos. I cannot freaking wait. Let me try and record something. Before I do that, let me screw this onto here. Wow, what am I doing? Am I doing this right? Yes, I am. Is it exactly the same? Okay. This is so cool. Wow, this literally is. You know what? I think this makes an amazing vlogging camera. I'm not even joking. Let's press something and record a video. It's recording. Swipe down. Well, swipe down to set length of time before screen turns off. I don't really care about that right now. I'm just gonna record something. This is so cool. You know what? I really like this. This makes an amazing vlogging camera. Look at it, it's so wide. The only thing is you don't get that blurry background in it. You just get everything in focus. So yeah, I guess that makes a lot of sense with vlogs because you want to show the environment as well as yourself. So that's actually really, really nice. So yeah, my Osmo Action 5, which I've been waiting for like, I think 8 or 9 days. It just seems here in the UK, all the Osmo like camera gear, you just can't get it like that. They're mostly sold out, but this is just perfect. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So do you guys have one of these? And if you do, will you use it for vlogging or like, I don't know, like other uses and stuff? So let me know in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to watch some videos up here somewhere. And see you then. Bada bing, bada boom. This is literally freaking amazing.